धर्मवीर गांधी।
सर, जो जस्टिस लोधा कमीशन में जो 50,000 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी चिन्हित की गई थी, पर्ल कंपनी की, बीएससीएल की, अरसारा की तो बात ही छोड़िए, और कुछ साल पहले की गई थी, वो 50,000 करोड़ की बहुत ही बेशकीमती जगह पर जो जायदाद थी उसको कुर्क करके पर्ल के करोड़ों निवेशकों को वो पैसे वापस क्यों नहीं किए गए?
सर, हम चुन चुन करके ये पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी क्यों ऑक्शन नहीं करवाया गया, ये प्रॉपर्टी क्यों करवाया गया, इसका जवाब मैं एक एक करके देना नहीं चाहती हूँ, मगर प्रॉपर्टी जो सहारा के द्वारा दिए गए हैं, yes, that pearl only I'm talking, I'm putting it all together in one. I have explained that even earlier, and therefore I'm generically using the word Sahara. Sir, I be allowed to give a reply to our honorable member who asked questions, sir, and after which, if you permit, they can have more questions for which I'm willing to answer. इसमें I want to say, सहारा कोऑपरेटिव भी और पर्ल एग्रो कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड भी, जो माननीय मेंबर पर्टिकुलरली रेफर कर रहे हैं, द प्रॉपर्टीज इन विच दे हैड इन्वेस्टेड also have litigation. 1070 crore was recovered by Pearl Agro Corporation Limited. 113 properties sold against 40,000 properties. So I just want to say 1070 crores obtained, recovered, but the several other properties which for Pearl Agro or for the cooperative in Sahara are invested in severely litigated properties. So the property papers may be here, but auction is not possible till that litigation. I'll just give an example. Around 62,643 crores was invested in Ambi Valley. Now, Ambi Valley has very many other litigation dimensions. I'm not getting into the details. So auctioning doesn't mean that I can, because I have the paper, I can go for an auction. That itself is embroiled in so many litigations, sir. So unless that is cleared, I can't even go say, right, auction, give me the money. But the worrying story, नहीं, एक मिनट ऑनरेबल मेंबर जरा सुन लें, क्योंकि आपने बहुत बढ़िया सीरियस प्रश्न उठाया, उसका हम सिंसियरली जवाब दे रहे हैं। इसमें सर, जब प्रॉपर्टीज को ऑक्शन करके पैसा निकाल करके और देना है, डेफिनेटली देंगे, मगर अब तक जो पैसा हमारे हाथ में है उसी को लेने वाले आए पहले, वो पैसा तो बैठा हुआ है, उसको प्लीज I'll answer you. Please sit down. सर, ये एक विषय सर, इसमें ऑनरेबल मेंबर का चिंता, हम सब भी उस चिंता में शामिल होने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे जी। हम भी चाहते हैं नहीं, एक मिनट भाई साहब, एक मिनट। हाँ, ये प्रश्न सिर्फ हमसे नहीं, कोर्ट में जाइए, कोर्ट में पूछिए, हम भी इंतजार में खड़े हैं कि आप आइए, हम देंगे। कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हमें सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं, माननीय मंत्री, माननीय एमपी हमारे ऊपर हाथ दिखा के कुछ उपयोग नहीं है सर।
कल्याण बनर्जी
सर, मैं माननीय सदस्य जो इस विषय में ओरिजिनल प्रश्न पूछा, उनके लिए विस्तार से जवाब दे रही हूं, मगर अगर माननीय सदस्य इन सब को सुनने के बाद भी उनको लगता है सरकार 12 से लेकर आज तक भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, मेरा जवाब शायद वो सुने नहीं है जी। मैं हम्बली बोल रही हूँ, ये कोर्ट के द्वारा होने वाले मामले हम सरकार बैठ करके निर्णय कर नहीं सकते। माननीय सदस्य जरा जवाब को सुन लें, नहीं तो मैं जवाब लिखित रूप में भी जो दे रही हूं वो भी हिंदी में ही दूंगी उनको। मगर प्लीज ये गलतफहमी इस माननीय सदस्य से कोई भी बाहर जाकर के ये ना बोले सरकार पैसा नहीं दे रही है। सरकार हाथ जोड़ करके बुला रहे हैं, लोग प्लीज आइए, आपके कागजात के साथ हम पैसा देने के लिए तैयार है, आप भी ले आइए, हम देंगे।
कल्याण बनर्जी शॉर्ट में।
The Honorable Speaker, sir, I was listening the answer given by the Honorable Finance Minister. Now it comes to into two categories. One category is that the poor people who have come and approached, they have got it. Rest of the persons have not, rest of the money have not been distributed since no applications have been filed or claim has been filed. These are the two categories are there. Now the point is, sir, it is also the experience of these types of schemes. In the name of the poor people's, rich people come. There are so many investment that's which
Okay.
is said to be a Benami. Just 1 minute, sir. Benami transactions are there. Just 1 minute, sir. Now the question is, my question, sir, just now you have got the applications, claims from the persons and you have distributed. The rest of the list is also there, those who have not got it. Then why the ED is not making an investigation also in furtherance to that who are these peoples? These peoples are the genuine peoples or ingenuine peoples, because these schemes are for the
Okay.
poor peoples. The rich persons should not get any benefit for them. Therefore, where is that investigation? And
Manya Mantri ji.
anything has been initiated, why these peoples are not coming?
Sir, the committee with the judge, retired judge sitting and looking at each one of them, he is looking at each one of the claims. Most of the small, honorable member is right, most of the small claimants have all been cleared because their documents are there. It is approved as per a standard operating protocol for each one. Meaning, for the cooperatives, there is SOP, which is judge determined. For the SEBI control regulated one, there is a SOP based on that. For those who are rejected, it is not rejection. We are telling them get further documents so that your claim will be all the more strengthened and we can give it. That's a second. Third, sir, ED's name comes very quickly. But I want to say here, sir, I want to say, sir, and I hope the honorable members please patiently listen to this. The SFIO is investigating into this entire Mamla. There are legitimate inquiries about what is the legitimacy of each one of the properties given. What is the business fraud which has happened? Where are those claimants which have not appeared before us? The SFIO is going into a detailed analysis of this, and we hope at the end of it we'll find more legitimate claimants for whom we can give the money. So, honorable member, be assured, yes, we've got the SFIO's investigation going on.